Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Google Trends on our phone. First of all, open your Google application on your phone, and after that, you can search for Google Trend on your Google search. And right after the Google Trends appear on your Google search, you can tap on it. Then wait guys, it's still loading. Okay, and this is the homepage of the Google Trends. And if you want to look for what is the trending topic for today, you can go to this button. You can click on this button, then you can click on trending now. Okay, and this is the trending topic on today on my country. So in the Google Trend, you will be able to see the trending topic of your country. Okay, and if you want to explore by a topic, we can click on this button again. Then we can click on explore right here to explore a topic. So for example, I'm going to search for this topic, and we can see how trending the topic is. This is in Indonesia, and we can tap on this button to see how trending the topic is on another country. So just click on the country and select the country that you want to look for. And for example, I'm going to click on Australia. Okay. And this is the result in Australia. And we can also compare this topic to another topic. For example, I'm going to compare it with this one. Okay guys, and this is the comparison. Alright guys, and that's how we can use Google Trend on our phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.